Unfasten all straps. Slide onto the hand. Be sure the thumb part on the side of the device is aligned. Insert the thumb into the thumb guide provided on the brace until it encloses the metacarpophalangeal joint. Tighten the thumb part. The thumb end joint remains freely movable. Remove and reposition the dorsal stay. Align the dorsal stay with the middle of the hand or finger. Pull quick pull closure strap to tighten laces. Wrap strap around device and secure the hook and loop closure. Fasten the strap on the ulnar side to secure the wrist. The palmar and thumb stay can be removed from the device in order to bend to suit the contours of your wrist and thumb. To do this, pull the stay out of the pocket on the underside of the device. Unfasten all straps. Slide the device from the hand.